This video has been brought to you in part by the friendly people at Walmart, who now provide .22 ammunition.
Yeah, I just can't get enough, guys. I'm going to try and take the eraser right off that puppy. Just take it right off it. Here, let me zoom back in so at least you can see it, huh? There we go. Just give it a blast. Well, I think I took more than the eraser off it, to be honest with you. It has disappeareth. It is goneth. Yea, verily. Let's see if I can take the little tip off of that. I'm running out of pencil stubs here. My stubs are getting stubbier. Oh, don't jump up like that. That's better. And out! The range is cold. Very, very cold. Ooh, maybe it's time to start doing some skeet shooting with the .22 pistol and the Nerf.